In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook account from Mailchimp step by step. This is a quick and simple process, and it's useful if you no longer want Facebook connected to your Mailchimp account, or if you just want to clean up your integrations and manage your connected apps more securely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. After you're logged in, look for the Integrations section inside your Mailchimp dashboard and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your connected apps and services in one place. Next, you'll want to find the Connected Sites or Integrations Management area. Click on Manage to open the list of connected services. From here, locate Facebook in the connections list. If you have multiple integrations connected, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you find Facebook, click the small drop-down menu near View Dashboard. This menu gives you access to the connection settings for that integration. After the options appear, click Disconnect. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm your choice, because disconnecting the account will stop the connection between Facebook and Mailchimp. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Disconnect again to finalize the action. This second confirmation makes sure you really want to unlink the account. After that, Facebook will be removed from your Mailchimp connections, and the accounts will no longer be linked. That's it, you've successfully unlinked your Facebook account from Mailchimp. If you were following this to troubleshoot a connection issue or to improve account security, this is the safest way to remove access through Mailchimp itself. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.